Here are the birds. Look at this little guy. Hey, buddy. Come here. Some birds over there. Okay. Oh, that's a roadrunner. We got a roadrunner right here. It's the roadrunner. Good talk. We got a, what are these guys over here? These look like penguins to me. This looks like a penguin. Hey guys. What are you guys doing? Penguins. In Africa. Got an egret right here. What is that? You said an egret or?
That's an egret.
Oh, he's flying.
Oh, I gotta get that.
Come on. You see me flinch when the vulture comes flying at me. I want the heron to fly again. Yeah. Come on. That's not where you want to be. You want to go over to the other side. Okay, that's cool. What's this guy? Another heron? You said?
Yeah. It's a black crown heron.
Black crown heron. Yeah, he's a cool guy. We got another heron over there. So we got a heron and an egret, right? The white ones?
Heron and an egret. And then there's also green herons, which I think is the one that
I like the roadrunners. He's fast. He just runs around on the road. Hence the name. Roadrunner. Pretty cool.
Andy, look at the thing coming out of the back of his head.
This little guy?
Yeah. It's like,
Yeah, he thinks he's cool or something.
like a rat tail.
Come here, buddy.
White